Infection prevention and control, COVID-19. Humans contract infections and diseases when harmful germs known as pathogens or pathogenic microorganisms enter the body and multiply. These microorganisms are so small they can only be seen under a microscope. Infections from microorganisms are easily passed from person to person. However, they are also easy to control and manage if everyone takes preventative action. Infection control is essential to every business, particularly so in a COVID-19 environment. Many work activities can put employees and customers or clients at risk of spreading and contracting the infection. So, how is our online Infection Prevention and Control COVID-19 course presented? There are interactive games making learning modern and enjoyable. Multiple choice questions ensuring that knowledge and understanding is proven. Also, there is a voice avatar presenting the course in a personal and engaging way, with visual media presentations illustrating the course content with a positive and striking approach. So, how is the online Infection Prevention and Control COVID-19 course presented? Training is online 24/7, allowing users to train at any time convenient to you, reducing downtime. Minimal disruption to your employees' daily workflow. Employee records can be electronically managed. Do you know what is infection prevention and control? Do you know what measures you can put in place to try and reduce the risk of infection in your workplace? Do you know what the hierarchy of control and controlling infection? Well, if not, you're in good luck, because our online Infection Prevention and Control training course can answer these questions and much more, ensuring that your staff know about the dangers associated with infection prevention and control. Now you can have peace of mind. Just let us take care of your infection prevention and control training requirements, knowing that our training is professional, thorough and engaging, whilst providing managers with up-to-the-minute record keeping of each member of staff.